All right, what's going on today, guys? I want to break down the 3 biggest books that allow me to build my 7-figure business and become a millionaire by the age of 23. So if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just get right into this. So number 1, the first book, and I have a list here because I've read so many books in my time. So I just want to make sure that I'm giving you guys the most value out of the ones that I have obviously read and implemented. First one is actually Jordan Peterson's 12 Rules for Life. It's kind of a way for you to live your life on a daily basis, going through the chaos, because there's a video that actually circulated around the internet of this guy talking about, if you can't live in chaos, then you can't live in solitude. So you have to be able to know what the rules of your life are when you live through chaos to get the things that you want, to get the goals that you want. That's always going to be chaotic because you have so many inflicting emotions, so many inflicting pains, so many inflicting situations to the point where it's tough for you to actually grow and make money and be emotionally stable. And that's why I preach so much about solitude, because everybody's just trying to hustle, grind. It's a double-edged sword. You have to understand that these 12 rules for your life are going to make you more centered, more centralized, not as overwhelmed, and be able to actually make calculated decisions instead of emotional ones, and be able to get through the chaos to getting the things out of your life that you want. So that's the first book. The second book is Grant Cardone's The 10X Rule. It really just goes over how to take what you have right now and just simply 10X it. And it's all back to the allurement of you're just double downing and triple downing and 10Xing down on what's already working for you. So what things currently work in your niche that work because there's proven results in it, and just how to 10X what you're currently doing. 10X your mind, 10X your network, and obviously 10X your income. Because all those things really do play a big part, and also your health, your happiness, your family, all of these solitudes in your life, they're all factors of actually what makes you this 10X individual. So it's just a combination of all these different things and being able to 10X and amplify who you are, because at the end of the day, money, just making more money, amplifies who you really are. So having that central foundation for, not just being a good businessman, but being a good person and being somebody who's well-rounded in multiple aspects of your life is going to allow you to 10X those things and amplify those things. Because as you make more money, you become more of an influence, more of an impact, and then you obviously will have those things trickle down to those multiple facets of your life. And, the first book, that's living through the chaos, getting through the hustle, right? 12 rules in your life for getting through that part of your life. The 10X book helps you basically say, hey, you have your foundation now. How do you 10X that? And then number 3 is going to be Crush It by Gary Vee. That's one of my favorite books that I read when I was first coming up in the game. And it's kind of a hustle grind book, but at the same time, though, it goes over a lot about kindness and empathy and all of these words that we deem in society to be corny or too nice, as being massively important for your success. If you have empathy, then you will always see the good in people, and you will always try to find that good piece of everybody, because if you can bring out the good in others, they're going to bring out the good in you, and then everybody wins. And then the whole kindness part is that if you start making more money, the world has told you, well, most parents have told you that making more money just makes you more of a dick. I mean, is it true? I mean, you have to be able to control that ego and understand that more money does get to your head, but you have to be able to pull yourself back to reality. And that's the whole kindness part, because when you're kind, people want to be around you, they want to work with you, right? And just being an authority figure alone is not always going to give you what you want. Being an authority gets you eyeballs, but being kind gets you buyers. So it's it's a certain leeway or segment to where you want that person to be in your life. So yeah, those are the best 3 books that I've read up to this very point. I don't read much anymore, just because I really don't believe in reading that much anymore. I feel once you build your foundation and you know what principles work for you, and you know who you are as a person, you have that self-awareness. Now it's just double downing on who you are. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.